Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best auto-empty robot vacuums you can buy right now. These vacuums are game changers for keeping your home clean with minimal effort. I've done the research, tested these products, and compiled all the data to help you make the best choice for your needs. You can find links to all the products in the description below. Let's dive straight into the list. At number 5, we have the Shark Navigator Robot Vacuum AV2110S. This budget-friendly option offers impressive features like bagless self-emptying with a 30-day capacity, smart path navigation for efficient cleaning patterns, and a self-cleaning brush roll that's great for picking up pet hair. It's designed for both carpets and hard floors, making it versatile for most households. In terms of build, the Shark Navigator AV2110S has a sleek white finish that blends well with modern home aesthetics. Its compact design allows it to clean under furniture, though its larger self-emptying base might require a bit more floor space. The navigation system utilizes Lidar to map your home and clean row by row, ensuring solid coverage without missing spots. However, it doesn't have the advanced object detection of higher-end models, so you may need to clear obstacles before use. Performance-wise, the suction is strong, up to 50% more powerful than some competitors in the same price range. It's capable of handling everyday messes, but the smaller 30-day capacity base means you'll need to empty it more often compared to others on this list. For $249.99, it's a solid choice for smaller households or those new to robot vacuums. However, if you want more premium features, you might need to look higher up the list. Pros: affordable, strong suction, solid navigation, excellent for pet hair. Cons: smaller self-emptying capacity, fewer advanced features compared to pricier models. Coming in at number 4 is the Eufy Robot Vacuum C10. This is a slim, budget-friendly vacuum that packs some impressive technology into its 2.85-inch design. With a self-emptying station that holds up to 60 days of debris, you'll enjoy weeks of hands-free cleaning. The standout feature here is the powerful 4,000 PA suction combined with an edge expansion brush, which excels at targeting corners and picking up pet hair. The Eufy C10's design is incredibly slim, allowing it to navigate under low-clearance furniture like sofas and beds. Smart mapping, powered by Lidar, ensures an efficient cleaning path, and the laser navigation system does a good job of avoiding obstacles. However, this model doesn't include a remote control, so you'll need to rely on the app or voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant. Make sure your Wi-Fi supports 2.4 GHz, as the vacuum isn't compatible with 5 GHz networks. In terms of performance, the Eufy C10 is great for smaller spaces or households with pets, thanks to its strong suction and corner-focused cleaning. However, it's not as feature-rich as some of the higher-priced options, and you'll need to do a bit of pre-cleaning to remove larger obstacles. At $249.99, it's a great entry-level pick for those who want reliable cleaning without breaking the bank. Pros: slim design, strong suction, great for pet hair, 60-day self-emptying capacity. Cons: no remote control, not compatible with 5 GHz Wi-Fi. At number 3, we have the Shark Navigator RV2120AE. This premium option delivers powerful suction, a 60-day self-emptying base, and smart path navigation that ensures it cleans in a precise row-by-row pattern. Whether you have carpets, hardwood, or tile, this vacuum is designed to handle a variety of surfaces with ease. The build quality is solid, with a sleek gray finish that looks modern. The self-cleaning brush roll is a highlight, as it's designed to resist tangling with pet hair, a huge plus for pet owners. Additionally, the vacuum's LiDAR-based navigation allows it to detect and avoid obstacles, though it's not as advanced as high-end models with more sophisticated AI. The bagless self-emptying base is another advantage, saving you from having to purchase replacement bags. Performance-wise, the RV2120AE offers strong suction and excellent coverage. But its 120-minute runtime is average compared to some competitors. The recharge and resume feature ensures it can complete cleaning jobs without manual intervention. At $299.99, it's the most expensive model on our list. but it's worth the investment if you want powerful cleaning with minimal maintenance. Pros: strong suction, anti-hair wrap brush, 60-day self-emptying base. Cons: higher price, average runtime. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum. This model features advanced matrix clean navigation, which ensures no area is missed by cleaning in a precision grid pattern. The 60-day XL self-emptying base is bagless, making it both eco-friendly and cost-effective compared to bagged systems. The Shark AI Ultra's design is robust, with a cool gray finish that feels premium. Its self-cleaning brush roll is excellent for dealing with pet hair, and the Lidar-based mapping system is highly accurate, even in low-light conditions. You can control it hands-free using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, making it incredibly convenient. This vacuum excels in performance, with powerful suction that handles both carpets and hard floors. The recharge and resume feature ensures it finishes cleaning even in larger homes. While priced at $297.99. It offers great value considering its premium features and efficient cleaning capabilities. Pros: advanced navigation, 60-day self-emptying base, strong suction. Cons: slightly bulky base, high price tag. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the MONSGA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This 4-in-1 device combines vacuuming, sweeping, mopping, and self-emptying into one powerful machine. With an impressive 5,000 pass suction power and a massive 3.5-liter self-emptying station, it's built for households that demand top-tier performance. The MONSGA's design is sleek, compact, and modern, while its LiDAR navigation ensures precise mapping and efficient cleaning paths. It can store up to 5 maps, making it a fantastic choice for multi-story homes. The 180-minute runtime is the best on this list, perfect for covering large areas without needing a recharge. What sets it apart is its versatility. You can control it via app, remote, voice commands, or even physical buttons. The self-emptying station can hold up to 60 days of debris, and its sealed design minimizes allergen exposure. Though the price is currently unavailable, its features and stellar 4.7-star rating make it a standout pick. Pros: exceptional suction, long runtime, versatile cleaning modes. Cons: price not listed, larger self-emptying station. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this rundown of the top 5 auto-empty robot vacuums helpful. If you're interested in any of these products, check out the links in the description for more details. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. If you have questions or want to share your own experiences with robot vacuums, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.